Hi, my name is Brett Johnson from Patrick Volvo Cars in Schaumburg. In these series of videos we call Quick Tips, I give you educational tutorials and quick tips on how to use various Volvo models. This topic covers wireless phone charging in your Volvo. This feature covers Volvo model years 2022, XC90, gas XC40s, V60s and S60s, and some previous 21 models with the center 9-inch display. You wireless charge your phone using the pad located in your center console. First, make sure it's activated by going to your center display, swiping to the right, and make sure the green light is indicated next to the wireless phone charging button. You can charge any Qi-compatible device by placing it on the pad. Sometimes it may take a few moments for it to indicate the charging has started. In addition to phones, any other device you use can be placed right on the pad, and again it will start charging after a few moments. Thanks again for joining us for this edition of Patrick Volvo Quick Tips. Please be sure to like us on Facebook and YouTube. You can visit us here at the dealership at 1600 East Higgins Rd in Schaumburg.
Taking care of you every day.